3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Clint, I'm Kit Production Manager.
But once again, like I said, Happy New Year. Hope it was an enjoyable time with you and your family. But without further ado, let's get right into this video.
So starting off this week and this year, we just want to talk to you about a collection called Jungle Romp Minky from Henry Glass. This is a wide collection, so the fabrics are 58 inches and 60 inches. The patterns on this one are animals such as lions, elephants, tigers, giraffes, and monkeys in colors of cream, brown, and gray. This collection is running at $22.48 per yard. So if that sounds right up your alley, unleash your wild side with Jungle Romp Minky.
Next up, I want to highlight Water's Edge from Timeless Treasures. With this, we have the Fat Quarter Bundle as well as the full collection of yardage. It's a very beach-forward theme, so you can expect patterns such as coastal beach, shells, starfish, beach sky, writings in the sand, sand dollars, and sand, in colors of blue, orange, green, and cream. If you're interested in this group, make sure to seize the day with Water's Edge.
Coming at you next, we've got Woodland Retreat from Timeless Treasures. With this collection, we've got a 24-inch panel, 2 pillowcase kits, a Fat Quarter Bundle, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns on this one are going to be a cabin next to the lake, fish, lures, trees, and bark textures in colors of green, brown, black with accents of red, yellow, orange, and blue. So if the outdoors is kind of your thing like it is mine, get hooked on Woodland Retreat.
Is outdoors your thing?
No.
No.
No, I hate being outside.
Next up, we have Farmer's Daughter from Riley Blake. With this one, we have the buttons, books, patterns, rickrack, the full collection of yardage, and much, much more. This one has so many different patterns, so we're not gonna list every one out of them. There's 54 different patterns in them. You can expect colors such as blue, cream, green, pink, yellow, red, orange, brown, or gray. So if you're interested in checking out this farm collection, you can get moving to grab the egg-siding Farmer's Daughter collection.
Coming at you next, we've got Homebodies from Clothworks. For this collection, we've got 24-inch panels, the Fernanda quilt kits, as well as assorted yardage. This collection has patterns such as cats, plants, tossed cats, and a tonal plaid. The colors for this cat-forward group are cream, rust, green, red, and gold. So why not create perfect quilts with Homebodies?
See what you did there. Next up, I want to highlight a sale that we have going on. This is for the No-Sew Folded Fabric Peekaboo Pumpkin Ornaments Kit. They're on sale. They're originally priced at $52.96, but we have them on sale for $36.96. This is a very fast, fun, and seasonal decorating item without a need for any stitching. It's all just on this foam pumpkin that you will put everything onto. So if you're interested in making your own little pumpkin ornament, you can fall into savings with this No-Sew Peekaboo Pumpkin Ornaments Kit.
All right, now as always, we want to highlight our 1-yard cuts. These 1-yard cuts run for $9.96 each. We are adding new prints all the time, so even if you checked recently, definitely go on there and check again. You never know what you're going to find. These 1-yard cuts are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to go. Multiples won't be continuous, so if you order 2 1-yard cuts, you are getting 2 separate 1-yard pieces. So if that's something you've been looking for, buzz on over to our website to check out our 1-yard cuts.
Next up, we have our comment of the week. This is the section where we take a comment from last week's episode and put it on this week's episode. This week we had a couple different comments, so I wanted to select one from B. Haviland1465, who says, "Happy New Year, thank you for all that you do. I wish I could come shop and meet you wonderful characters." I want to firstly thank you for this comment. We appreciate you coming and checking out our videos. I want to wish you a Happy New Year's as well, and hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's from us here at the FWF, from us at the, we want to wish that we hope, we hope that you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year here from the FWFS team. I want to also highlight that if you are in the area, you are okay to come in and shop. We are open on Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The only thing I can say is we can confidently be here on Thursdays. We will make sure we are staffed every single Thursday for y'all to come shop. Every other day, we should be staffed enough for you to come shop, but it may be one of those days where we might only have a couple people here. And if that's the case, we might have to turn you away, and we apologize in advance. I'd say 95% of the time, y'all are free to come shop Monday through Friday here at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So come check us out.
All right, everybody, that's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. As always, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that little bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured in Comment of the Week. And follow us on social media. All of our links are going to be down in the description. We will see you next week.
Thanks for watching.